Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're straight into content, and today we're doing a Carl's Garage video. My tail light on my Kia Optima is just went out. It went out yesterday. In fact, the air in my front passenger tire went out. Let that truck go by. So my tire was low, so when I was putting air in all the tires, my wife was driving, and I got to see in the back, and one of my tail lights is out. So this is a perfect opportunity to make a video for you guys. Perfect opportunity for me to make a video for you guys. So if you don't know how to change your brake light in a Kia Optima, you will learn in this video. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to have somebody help you out if you can. I have my wife, Shelly, helping me out. I made this kind of dark, but we're going to come back here, and it's this light on this side. I know this for a fact, but you want to come out here. Babe, go ahead, turn on the lights on the left side. Yes, that is on. Let me see if I can see it in the camera. Yes, that's on. Now press the brakes. Oh, do it again. Okay, that's glare. Okay, let go of the brakes. Okay, so obviously this isn't working because the brake light is right here. Now let's go over to the other side. And as you can see right there, press the brakes. That comes on. Take the brakes off. Okay, and we come back over to this side. Do it again, press the brakes. See, nothing's happening on this side. So this right here is the bulb that we need to change. Go ahead, babe, you can turn it off. This right here is the bulb that we need to change. So I'm gonna pop my trunk. And what's cool about the Kia, lighten this up a little bit, right in there, all you have to do is take this little thing out, and the bulb is right in here. So I'm gonna go purchase the bulb, and then I'm gonna set my camera up and show you guys how to take it out and put it in. Okay guys, yep, so I'm gonna head over to probably AutoZone where I got the headlight for my car. So you guys can definitely check out that video if you wanna know how to change your headlight in your Kia Optima. But this is how you change your brake light in your Kia Optima. This light is separate from the other lights, so you gotta so this light is separate from the other lights, so you gotta be kind of careful on which bulb you get. But what I like to do is I like to take the bulb out of my car, bring it in, and match it up precisely. I don't like to just go in there and say, hey, you guys got a brake light bulb for Kia Optima? Because there's been plenty of times when they've given me the wrong bulb. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go over here, head over to AutoZone, and pick out the right bulb. Okay guys, so actually before I drive all the way over there, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the bulb now at my house, and then this will have the bulb in the car, and then whenever I get there, I can just walk in with the bulb. So I'm gonna try to show you guys as best as possible. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me zoom in there. The bulb that I'm taking out is right in here. There's one on top, and there's one on the bottom. I don't need to take out this one. I need to take out this one right here. I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna take this bottom one right here, not the top one, the bottom one. The bottom one is your brake light. You wanna turn it counterclockwise. You wanna turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Here it is right here. Take this out. You push it in and turn it clockwise. You push it in and turn it counterclockwise. And as you can see, this is extremely, so it says a 2357 LL. What I'll do is I will go to the store and I will purchase this exact same bulb. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so these are all the different bulbs. I'm looking for a 2357. I have the 2357 here. I'm gonna look for the cheaper ones. 93. Look for the 2s, 3057. Looking for 2357, 2057, 2723. There we go, 2357. Bam. That's them right there. Same 2357. So let's go get them. All right guys, so I have the bulbs here, brand new bulbs. So what I did was I backed my car in, but I left the car on, and I'm gonna turn on the light so that you guys can see, have a better visual of which tail light is out. And then I'm gonna go ahead, bring the camera on the inside and replace the bulb. You guys can see this bulb right here is out. No, I'm sorry. This bulb right here is working. This bulb over here is out. That's the bad one that we took out. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Okay guys, so now we're inside the car. I still have the car running. I'm gonna go ahead and put in this bulb. But before I do this, I'm gonna actually turn off the headlights and turn off the car because I don't wanna electrocute myself. So do not do this with the car on. So hopefully you guys can see this. I'm using my flashlight for a little more light. Pretty dark in here, but this right here, this is where we took the old bulb out and we wanna put the new one in. There's a new pack of bulbs right here. I'll put a link in the description to these down below. What's great is it came with 2, so chances are if one side goes out, the other side is also going to go out. I probably will go ahead and replace both sides. I won't do that on camera for the sake of the video, but I'll go ahead and replace both sides. Remember, whenever you're replacing one of these bulbs, try not to touch the glass part. Try not to touch it because your oils can make the bulb go out faster. That's the bulb right there. I'm going to little grooves. You gotta find the right grooves for these little nipples. There we go. I found them. Push it and turn it. So for camera's sake, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get in a car and press the brake a few times, and you guys leave a comment down below if this light turns on, because I won't be able to tell. I'll have to check on the camera. All right, let me go ahead and do that. Yay, it's working. So this brake, all I did was turn on my light. So obviously if it's working here, it's also going to work for the brake. So that's how you install the video. Let's go ahead and put it in the socket. Okay, so we know this works. Remember, it goes in the bottom hole. Turn it to the, you want to turn it that way. Get it as hard as you can. Okay, now let's go look. Well, let's put this back. Now that this is back, let's go take a look at the back of the car and see how the brake lights perform. Okay guys, I'm gonna go close the trunk, get in the car, and test the brake light. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for this video of how to change your brake light in your Kia Optima. Remember, if you guys have any questions, leave comments down below. If you want to know where to get the bulbs, where I got them from, you can definitely get them from your local AutoZone and places like that, but I will leave the link to the description. No, I will leave a link in the description down below to these bulbs that I bought. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos on how to change your headlight bulb. That one's very important, and it's a little bit harder and definitely not as easy as these brake tail light bulbs. Okay, and don't forget there's 2 different bulbs in this tail light. So I just changed the brake bulb, but there's still another one in there. If that one goes out, I will make sure to bring you guys that video. You guys know my slogan: be safe, be basic, peace.